Healing Reins specializes in many different types of therapy, but the one that they're the most known for, I would say, is Hippotherapy. I'm Hailey Hendrickson, and I'm a kinesiology major at OSU Cascades. Hippotherapy is when people use horses to do abdominal strength work and other different types of body work to improve their overall movement and mobility, and they do it through the use of riding horses. I chose to do this internship because I was passionate about horses and I was passionate about therapy through being a kinesiology student. So that, I believe, played a role in my decision of becoming an intern here, but also it gave me a new understanding to what it's like to work with horses. You get a range of participants who come into this barn every day. You get people from the age of 3 years old all the way up to 60 and above. These participants range in cognitive and physical abilities, but when they're here you can see that they gain a passion for being around the horses and they don't let their abilities affect their relationship with the horse. I am a sidewalker and a leader. Sidewalkers help with mobility and balance when people are riding horses. Leading horses is another role that I do here, helping them walk around the arena or our outdoor trail. One of my favorite classes that I've taken at OSU Cascades is body mechanics of human movement, and that I see is applied every time I come into Healing Reins, because I see the way that children and adults are riding on horses, and I see the way that they're able to build their core strength and their body positioning through the use of the material I learned. Participants come weekly, so I've been gaining a better understanding of who the kids are or adults, and I've been gaining relationships with them, and seeing them here in person really just inspires me to go out and live my best life, but also like that every day, even if you have hardships, you can make the best out of them. I also love what they do here. I think their mission and goal to help others through the use of animals is something that I think is very powerful and moving. Seeing kids on the horses and how they have such a good time is something that makes me feel like it's worth coming in every day.